Welcome. This video will guide you through setting up and logging into Spotify in your Tesla vehicle for seamless music streaming. As of December 2025, Tesla offers robust Spotify integration, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music directly from your car's infotainment system. Note that a Spotify Premium subscription is required for this feature. This is how Spotify appears in your Tesla vehicle. The easiest way to link your Spotify account to your Tesla is through the Tesla mobile app. This method is recommended for its simplicity and ensures everything syncs automatically. First, download the Tesla app from your App Store if you haven't already, then open it and log into your Tesla account. Make sure you're connected to the internet. In the app, navigate to the Account section, then tap Media, and select Spotify from the available options. This will start the linking process. You'll be prompted to log in with your Spotify Premium credentials. Enter your email or username and password. Remember, a premium subscription is required for full streaming functionality in your Tesla. Once logged in, your Spotify account will automatically sync to your Tesla vehicle. You'll see confirmation in the app, and Spotify will be available on your car's touchscreen for streaming music and playlists. Alternatively, you can set up Spotify directly on your Tesla's touchscreen. Start by going to Controls on the main screen. From Controls, navigate to Software, then Media. Select Spotify from the Media options. Enter your Spotify Premium login details to complete the setup. To enable voice control, go to Settings, then Vehicle and Voice and Audio. Enable voice control for Spotify here. This allows hands-free control while driving, enhancing safety and convenience. Tesla's infotainment system runs on a custom Android-based platform designed specifically for vehicles, rather than using standard Android Auto. This custom system provides optimized performance for in-car media streaming. When linking your Spotify account, Tesla uses OAuth 2.0 authentication for security. This industry-standard protocol allows secure access without storing your actual password on Tesla's servers, protecting your privacy. For streaming music, Tesla's system connects through your vehicle's cellular data or available Wi-Fi networks. This supports high-quality audio playback up to 320 kilobits per second, ensuring excellent sound quality during your drives. If you encounter login problems, ensure your Tesla account uses the same email address as your Spotify account. Try restarting your vehicle's system. If you're not getting premium features, double-check that your Spotify Premium subscription is active. Occasional login freezes may occur, but are usually resolved with monthly software patches. Take advantage of Tesla's AI Assistant, powered by Grok as of 2025, for seamless Spotify control. Simply use natural language commands like Play My Discover Weekly playlist on Spotify. This enhanced AI integration minimizes distractions, letting you focus on driving while enjoying your music. Tesla's voice command integration has been significantly improved with the FSD Supervised v12.5.2 update, making interactions even more natural. To reduce data usage while streaming Spotify in your Tesla, adjust the streaming quality settings in the Spotify app. Lower quality uses less data without significantly affecting sound during drives. Consider using offline playback caching when connected to Wi-Fi. Download your favorite playlists and albums in advance to enjoy music without using cellular data during your drives. Stay updated with Tesla software updates, as they often include improvements and new features for Spotify integration. Regular updates enhance voice control and playback reliability. Regularly check Tesla's forums for community-driven solutions to potential issues. The Tesla community often shares tips and workarounds for optimizing Spotify performance in your vehicle. The future of in-car entertainment includes more AI-driven personalization. Expect Tesla to integrate Spotify deeper with features like curated playlists based on driving habits and augmented reality overlays. With EVs becoming more prevalent, anticipate Tesla-exclusive Spotify features, such as location-based playlists, enhancing your overall driving experience.